Careful. Careful. Beautiful. Some decent aluminum in here. It's a solid aluminum, guys. Chunks, not a lot, but a few. Everything must go. Ha ha! Yeah! Dun dun dun! We are on 702 in beautiful Essex, Maryland. Be there in 3 minutes. Let's go load this fridge and then fly over to Parkville, like 15 minutes from here, and pick up more stuff. Quickly now, quickly now, quickly now. Right up here on the right is a refrigerator and a microwave somewhere. 31.
The destination is on your right.
Should be right here. There
Arrived.
it is. Let's go load this up and go. Quickly now, quickly now, quickly now. Let's go take a look at this fridge, guys. It's a double door one. Probably gonna be kind of difficult to remove. I'm supposed to be like 17 minutes from here in like 10 minutes or less. Won't got that happening, but we're gonna make it work somehow. These are them difficult ones to remove. Sometimes the doors are wider than that, and a lot of times you gotta unscrew everything, cut the door off, all that good stuff. Yeah, we'll get it out of here. Come on, Mr. Microwave. Mr. Very pretty dusty microwave. Alright, I'm gonna get this on the truck and we're out of here. It's a very tight squeeze. Very tight squeeze. Ready? Careful. Careful. Beautiful. Easy does it. Not bad at all. Alright, let's load this up. That was not easy to get down them steps, but we got it. Sheesh. Beautiful job. Let's go, guys. Okie dokie. We'll be there in 4 minutes. We're running super late. Let's go see if we can get 4 or 5 appliances, plus this giant refrigerator. Go straight back to the scrapyard. Steel weight, steel weight. I'll cut the cords and whatever else. Took a stove and a washer so far. One more, I believe, washer. And then over there, there's 2 more units in this corner. So I'm trying to get everything as fast as I can, guys. Quickly now, quickly now. Easy day, easy day. It's not stressful at all. Got disconnect the washer and dryer, and then we're taking that too. Okay, guys, it ended up being 3 washing machines and 1 stove. He said the dryer's still working, so leave it. And I was like, that's fine, thank you. So we got 1 large fridge and 4 appliances. I might real quick drive around these dumpsters, and then I'm going straight to the yard because I have work to do. Very busy day. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, 1 more steel run. Yeah. There's my puppy. And my puppy dog. This isn't going to be a heavy load either, but we're getting it out of here, and then we're going to clean up some drywall.
The next stop is on your right.
68.20. So this is gonna be like not very much pounds. Okay, we're gonna throw this out. Somebody threw a tire on it now. I got like 4 of those. Bye-bye, Mr. Washer. They sliding. This thing is heavy right here. Okay, I'm gonna throw all this out and get more footage when I'm done. Cut this cord. Weighing out. They're busy. $6,080. Maybe around 800. I don't remember exactly what I said. Something 780, 800, something like that. Let's go get paid and then head out. Ladies and gentlemen, really fast. 68.20 to 60.80. 740 pounds of steel weight for the second run. 20, 40, 61 $. Not bad, not bad. That didn't take that long, maybe like an hour and a half. On to the next one. Everything must go. I'll get a little bit of footage of the drywall cleanup, and then I'm supposed to go to his shop as well. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Dun, dun, dun. Sheesh. These bags are kind of heavy. It's mostly all drywall. It's a lot. There might be some tile in there too, plus all this. We're gonna get it out of there for him. It's drop ceilings. A little bit of trim in the back. Won't make it work though, that's all. Sheesh. Everything must go. My tires are gonna be flat after this. I'll get maybe a little footage when I'm finished, or pictures in the morning when we go to the landfill. YouTube, check this out. This is pure drywall and thick ceiling drywall with like the plaster and all painted on it. The whole truck. It's like extra full. Look at that tire, boy. Sheesh. Check this out. Try to lead them cars everywhere I can about the channel. We're getting some regular juice, not diesel juice like Salvaging and AZ always says. Regular juice. Alright guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I tried to record getting on the scale. My truck is like 8,200 pounds right now. It's a ton of drywall. We're making it up this hill. We're gonna go throw it out, and then I gotta go do a cleanup job for the same guy at his showroom. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. It's a beautiful day. A beautiful morning at Seagull World. Sheesh, we're dirty. I threw most of it out already, guys. Got a little bit of metal. Literally like a whole ton of drywall. Let's get it.
Ooh, that hit my legs.
That's a big load for one. All that. It's a monster load. Monster load. Everything must go. I'll get footage at the next spot. YouTube. It's much later in the day. I didn't really get footage of me throwing all that out. I did another whole cleanup. It took me forever. I'm going to pick up 2 dryers now. I got a dryer in the back, or a washer in the back here. It was behind my truck at the landfill, and this older gentleman tried to get it, and I was like, I'm recycling that. He's like, okay. So I gave him $4. I was like, that way we split it, bro. They're worth $7 or $8. It's half the money for you, which was cool. And the only reason I started recording just now is to show you guys this. Everything must go. Ha ha! Yeah! Alright guys, let's go pick up some washers and dryers. Grinding! Okay. Oh yeah, check this baby out. It's an old model, or that's just the inside part. Yeah, we can do something with that. I'm gonna load these guys up, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Careful. Careful. I'm gonna cut the cord off for this guy. This thing's old school right here. What? Hold up, hold up. No, no, no. This is their actual air conditioning unit. I'm crazy. Sheesh, I'm so glad I didn't just start ripping that away. He told me there was 2 units here. Oh, we got one. Oh my gosh, I almost pulled that away. Bad business. Grinding. Washer and backyard and yard. Yeah. Real quick guys, this is the house where I got one dryer just now. This is the house where the basement had 2 stoves in it that were wider than the opening like a month ago in that video I put out. But this dryer was outside this time. I just loaded it up. The guy's really cool. On to the next one. I might go drop these off. I'm supposed to clean up a bunch of stone where I just demoed a deck. Either way, I think I'm gonna take these to my storage unit temporarily. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Oh, he gave me a tip somewhere. We got a tip for picking up a dryer, not bad. All right, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm putting these in my storage unit. I just removed this one and I heard chains jingling around in there. So we're gonna take the back off and check it out. I believe both of them are top loading washers. This is the dryer. This is the one with the millions in there. Millions. Dun, dun, dun. Let me see here. Yeah, there is change in there, ain't there? Oh, ho, ha, 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 ha. Oh, this one's got Dun dun dun. Ooh, we got a zipper thing. What? YKK on your zipper. Ew. Don't tell me that was a freaking bug. Oh my goodness. A water bug maybe? I will lose my mind if one of them comes out of here. Alright, give me a second. I'm getting the rest out. Not bad though. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day. I am on the way to my storage unit, and a maintenance guy up here told me he's got an air conditioning unit, a washer, and a refrigerator, but the fridge isn't out yet. I'm hoping I can get this AC unit because I only have 3 dryers in my storage unit. Let's go get it. Moving right along. Arrgh. Perfect timing. This, and that. I'm gonna borrow their hand truck. I spoke to the technician. He's out back in the back buildings, and let him know that I'm getting it. I don't want people thinking I'm just taking it. What's up, man? Hey, I'm borrowing this real quick. Is that cool? Thank you, sir. We're gonna load this up and head out. I gotta go get a washing machine and possibly a refrigerator as well. This thing is heavy, boy. Wow. Shoot. Come on, Mr. Air Condition. I have to break this down, load my truck up, take it to Al Metals in Dundalk, Maryland. And then I have a job down there as well afterwards. Come on, AC unit. Looks like I backed up just a little bit too far. Yeah, this thing's very heavy. Like, a lot heavier than usual, it feels. There's a furnace as well. Get more footage in 1 second, guys. We'll load this up as well. And this guy as well. Furnace, furnace, furnace. I parked in the bush. That's how they're doing it now. Perfect. Can't miss it. Let's load this guy real quick too. I'm gonna move some of these to the front because these are getting broken down. Force this guy in the back somehow. Sheesh. Today is Halloween. Happy Halloween. You might not see this footage until Thanksgiving. It's very possible. Things are so heavy and awkward usually. Great. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 This is Halloween. This is Halloween. I'm gonna pop this back off. Check for the millions. Just gotta find the right one, guys. One day there's gonna be something crazy in one, and I'm gonna stop recording as soon as I open it up. Like, whoops, we don't want to show that. Okay, we're gonna cut this cord and unscrew this. And you guys see this? There's a little bit of loose change in there. I just put out a short with like a couple hours and change that came out of the back of a dryer. Why does that keep happening? Putting screws or anything inside of the washer is a good idea. It's got caulk all over it. Yeah, there's a little bit of change in this one, not much. I'm gonna get this 20 cents and go look for a refrigerator and then go to the storage unit and break down an AC unit ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. Real fast, I popped the front off too. There's 2 screws on each side. And there's more change in this baby. So we got more than $1. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna load this guy up and we're heading out. Let's get it, let's get it. There's a refrigerator on the back. So yeah, I only had 3 washers and some aluminum, not much. Now I got a whole load once I combined all this. I'm gonna break this down and head to the yard. Perfect timing, perfect timing. That took about 25 minutes and it was well worth it. Let's get it, guys. Okay, YouTube, I don't want to make this monotonous. We got 3 washing machines, or 1 dryer and 2 washers, and then all this has to all go on one load. I'm gonna break these air conditions down and then move some stuff around, separate copper. Already got a little bit of copper going, not too much, and a little bit of brass and some aluminum. There's some decent aluminum in here. It's a solid aluminum, guys. Chunks, not a lot, but a few. 2 of these and some other little pieces. Let's get it. Oh, and there's a hoverboard. And I was just watching Big Country Scrapper break one down in his setup, in his garage or whatever. If you don't watch Big Country Scrapper, he's excellent, informative scrap metal channel. Check him out, guys. Let's get it, YouTube. Let's get it. Choose your weapons. Dun, 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 dun. Sawzall wins. How many screws are in these things? More than you would imagine. Come on. Sheesh. 10,5/16. Pick up your screws, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want them in somebody else's tire. You don't want them in your tires. Moving right along, guys. YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. We got it all on there. It took forever. A maintenance guy has 2 refrigerators for me, but I'm supposed to be in Dundalk, so I can't go there yet. I'm gonna go to the yard now, and we'll see later what happens. Let's get it, guys. It's getting hot. It's gonna be 80 degrees today on Halloween. Sheesh. Here we come, Al Metals. Here we come. Okay, guys, I talked to the maintenance dude. He said he put one outside. He's putting another one out now. We're gonna go force 2 refrigerators on this tailgate. Let's get it. Easy day, guys. It's gonna be a little difficult. YouTube, YouTube. So this is not gonna be easy at all. Somehow I gotta get both of these on this tailgate, and it might not both fit on here. You might have to pull the doors in order to make them both fit, but I'm really gonna try. I'm gonna untie all this, get out another good strap and make it work. And then we're going to the scrapyard. Super late. Okay, YouTube, we got these 2 fridges on the back. My truck's pretty full. We're on the way to Al Metals. So yesterday I uploaded the October video. It said Happy Halloween in the beginning with the pumpkins. And I spent like 4.5 hours editing it. Well, when I finally go to upload it, my computer won't get on the internet. It says connection's bad or whatever. Somehow an update deleted the drivers on my computer yesterday. It's not like, I don't know about a virus, but I googled it and they said some Windows 11 update, people were not able to get on the internet afterwards, and then their drivers were missing. So I might have to reformat my computer or something. Like, I don't get on any bad websites at all. I don't download movies, nothing like that. Just business, just YouTube. Very frustrating. I had to use a broken laptop and an external hard drive, put everything on it, and then put it on the laptop where half the screen's cracked and you can't really even see what you're doing. It took me like a half hour just to upload the video. Let's go to the get on the scale, guys. Sheesh. Dun, 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 na, 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 na. We made it, we made it, we made it. Al Metals. $7,600, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go get on. Let's go throw everything out. Okay, I took all the straps off. Quickly now, quickly now. Wave high for the shadow. Somebody threw a bunch of light bulbs out. Bunch of glass. Sheesh. How are we gonna fit all this in here? We got a lot to get rid of, guys. This thing is disconnected, so it ain't coming off easily. Boom. Okay, now. Oh, avalanche. Avalanche. How are we going to do this? Come on, Mr. Fridge. You're getting in our way here, buddy. Got it all packed in crazy. Sheesh. Might have to move my truck for this one. I did cut the motor off. Ready? There we go. Okay guys, I'm gonna throw this out and get more footage afterwards. We're running out of room. This is aluminum. This is steel. It's a beautiful day, YouTube. Beautiful. $6,300. Okay, let's go do the non-ferrous and head out. Okay. $1,300 at 7 cents, ladies and gentlemen. He just told me the price is dropping next month. Like next week probably it'll be 6 or less. It's getting rough out here, scrappers. Come on now, we need 12 cents. We don't want 7 or 6. To the non-ferrous section, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to record these guys, but here's where we're going. Small line. The good old non-ferrous section. The land of precious metal and cubed aluminum cans. Really quick, YouTube. $1,300 at 7 cents. What is that? 91 bucks, I believe. And then number 1 copper 720, number 2 17, $6.30 aluminum extrusions, $40 in radiators, 40 cents stainless, $3 for a motor, $5.50 for aluminum, $27 in sealed units was $107.71 for a grand total of 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Not bad, not bad. Now I go do a cleanup job. Super late. Let's get it. Really, that equaled I think 198 or something. But yeah, I ain't been to Al Metals in a while, like a week or so. Awesome, awesome. It's beginning to look a lot like Halloween, guys. Be careful out there, kiddos. On to the next one. Everything must go. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.